Peter Obi's lawyer, Onyechi Ikpeazu, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, gives an update on his client's lawsuit against the 2023 presidential election.
You are opposing the order from the barring the order rather.
Well, there are two applications of interest. The one is the application brought by INEC to vary the order, according to them, that the order which enabled us to scan the ballot papers will expose the identity of our voters and persons they had voted for. But we're saying that that is not the objective of the applicants, that all we needed to do is to verify that they were actually thumb impressions and things like that. We have no interest whatsoever in determining who voted for who. I mean, how can you even begin to search that among the millions of people that voted? So it's really pedestrian as far as we are concerned and diversionary. Then the other application, which is of utmost importance, is that the INEC intends to proceed to reconfigure the BVAS machines. And what that means is that they intend to wipe out the accreditation data captured for the presidential election. And that is really huge. My experience in the Oshu State election was that the upload to the back-end server, especially the one that was that was obtained earlier, did not contain all the information. Now, in order to get the real information on accredited voters, we had to go to the BVAS machines themselves, and we got the order of the tribunal to enable us to do that. And once we did that, there was no overvoting at all. So in this situation, what they are actually seeking to do is to wipe out that vital physical evidence, which is the most reliable evidence of accreditation data. And if that is wiped out, then all the petitions will be in jeopardy. So it's actually a very, very important, perhaps the most important part of the election petition series in this dispensation.
But the INEC has said that the timing is very short, given that they need to reconfigure it before Saturday. Do you have a problem with that? What do you think?
First of all, you have to look at the importance of the presidential election and the importance of the votes cast and then the integrity of the process. I believe the issue of time should not be of any relevance, and they can always postpone it. This won't be the first time an election would have been postponed in Nigeria.
Absolutely. Many thanks, sir. So see you tomorrow.